Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'm going to share information about the country Paris already. Since I was a little girl, I always has to want to know everything corner on the world. But today, they are my customers who can do it. I have a travel agency for my customer, my trip to the 242 countries around the world. Today, I want to know a country that change your expectation about of what the round. Let's go. Today I want to know the amazing of the city, of the life and love. Today I want you to live that your eyes appraising each detail send the light. Today, I want you to know my flat tricolor. Today, I want you to look at the star must shine in the darkness. Today, I want to board the spirit of the earth. Today, I want you to visit each space that completes the city beautiful. Today, I want to feel the hair testing in the culture beautiful. Today, I want you to find out Paris fascinating. Today, I want to be in each one of your memories because I am Paris and we are Paris. Dare yourselves and travel.